Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting product review for you. We recently stumbled upon the 40-inch electric fireplace, and we've added a link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability. Now, let's dive into what this product is all about. The 40-inch electric fireplace is designed to be an ultra-thin wall-mounted insert, measuring only 4.3 inches in depth. This sleek and stylish design not only saves space but also adds a contemporary touch to any room. With its ultra-narrow frame and larger front glass surface, this fireplace offers a colorful and realistic flame effect that can elevate your home decor. Moving on to the key features, this electric fireplace can be both recessed into the wall or mounted on the wall, making it incredibly versatile for various room layouts. It comes with an installation toolkit and straightforward instructions, ensuring that you can set it up without a hassle. Included in the package are logs and crystals, providing you with options to customize your fireplace's appearance. One of the standout features is the adjustable flame settings. You have 4 flame colors and 4 brightness options to choose from, allowing you to create the perfect ambience for any occasion. Whether you're looking for a cozy atmosphere on a chilly evening or a vibrant display for a party, this fireplace has you covered. Another practical aspect of this electric fireplace is its heating capabilities. With a thermostat adjustable from 62 to 82 degrees Fahrenheit, it can effectively heat a room of up to 400 square feet, making it ideal for living rooms, bedrooms, or even hotel lobbies. You can select between 2 heating modes, 1500W for full warmth or 750W for energy savings. Plus, the flame effect can operate independently from the heating function, so you can enjoy the soothing visuals all year round without needing extra heat. The touchscreen and remote control make it incredibly user-friendly. You can easily adjust settings like heating mode, flame color, and even set a timer from 0.5 to 9 hours, which adds to the convenience of this product. Safety is always a priority, and this electric fireplace has received CSA certification for safety. It features an automatic shut-off function in case of overheating, giving you peace of mind while you enjoy its warmth and beauty. So, who is this fireplace suitable for? It's perfect for anyone looking to enhance their living space with a modern touch. Whether you're a homeowner, a renter, or even a business owner wanting to create a welcoming environment, this electric fireplace fits the bill. In practical terms, you can use it not only to heat your home but also as a stunning focal point in your decor. It's great for adding warmth and style to your living room during family gatherings, or for creating a cozy atmosphere in your bedroom for a relaxing evening. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.